In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Confluence page. This process is quite straightforward and flexible, allowing you to personalize your calendar to meet your specific needs. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Confluence account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up and get set up, as you'll need it to access all the features we'll be discussing. Once you're logged in, navigate to your workspace. This is where all the magic happens. Open a page that you want to edit or create a new one if you prefer starting with a fresh canvas. The interface here is intuitive, but don't hesitate to explore the different sections if you're unfamiliar with it. Once your page is open and ready for editing, look for the table icon in the toolbar. At the top of the page, there's a handy drop-down arrow next to it. Clicking on this will allow you to select the size of the table you want to insert. For our calendar setup, an 8x8 table works well, offering ample space for days, dates, and notes. But feel free to adjust according to your planning style. After inserting the table, it's time to structure it into a calendar. You'll want to create columns to represent each day of the week. You can start with Sunday or Monday, depending on your preference. Next, establish rows that will either categorize times of the day, if it's a weekly schedule you're after, or dates if you're planning for a monthly overview. This setup gives you a flexible framework on which you can build your appointments, reminders, and deadlines. To enhance the visual appeal and usability of your calendar, let's use colors and formatting. Select cell backgrounds or font colors to differentiate weekdays from weekends or to highlight important dates. This helps in quickly spotting specific days at a glance. Experiment with bolding or increasing font size for headers to make them stand out. Finally, we can add some finishing touches to bring your calendar to life. For those who like a little flair, consider inserting date emojis to make certain days pop. Emojis can add a fun element and help capture your attention on critical tasks. Alternatively, use the date command, which provides a quick way to input precise dates directly into your table cells. And there you have it, a personalized functional calendar right on your Confluence page. Feel free to adapt these steps to suit your unique organizational needs or aesthetic preferences. With these tools, you're set to take control of your schedule like never before. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.